If you need to sign out of Evernote, whether you're using a Mac, Windows, mobile device, or the web version, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. On desktop for Mac and Windows, start by opening Evernote and look into the upper left corner of the app. You should see your name or email address there. Click on it to open the account menu, then choose Sign Out. Evernote may ask you to confirm your choice, and in some cases it may give you an option to keep a backup or save certain information before logging out. If that appears, choose the option that fits your needs, then click the final Sign Out button to complete the process. On mobile for iPhone, iPad, Android, or any supported device, the steps are very similar. Open the Evernote app and tap your profile picture or your initials in the top left corner. From there, tap your name or email address to open your account options, then select Sign Out. If Evernote asks you to confirm, go ahead and approve it so the app can log you out safely. If you're using Evernote in a web browser, the process is also very simple. Look in the lower left corner of the screen, click your name or email address, and then select Sign Out from the menu. That will log you out of your account on the web version right away. One important thing to remember is that signing out is different from deleting your account. Signing out just ends your current session on that device, which is useful if you're switching accounts, sharing a computer, or just want to stay more secure. If you're on a shared device, always make sure you fully sign out before closing the browser or app. And if you're managing multiple Evernote accounts, double-check the name or email shown before you log out so you don't accidentally sign out of the wrong one. That's really all there is to it. Whether you're on desktop, mobile, or web, you can sign out of Evernote in just a few clicks or taps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.